Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I loud? Am I clear? Is anybody out there? Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 9 minutes and 35 seconds, breaking down what happened last night, and boy, was it insane. Helping you read the tea leaves for the gold and silver market. We're going to watch the day trading session for COMEX. We're going to watch Shanghai open up, ladies and gentlemen. Who's ready? We got Mike D, commander of the 160th Battle Crab Sword, reporting in. It's Commander Craig with the 42nd Battle Crab Brigade in chat. Ladies and gentlemen, today's going to be a wild ride. If you're ready, put I'm ready in chat. Smash the like button, share the stream, and please go like and retweet the post on X. Let's go!
In the borders.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 7 minutes and 55 seconds, breaking down all the gold and silver news. And AC Stacker got the emojis back. Nice. We're going to be watching Shanghai open up. We're going to see the day trading session. I'm going to be covering all the crazy geopolitics and news that happened all night. Ladies and gentlemen, 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Hit that like button. If you're on X, please go like and retweet the post for this stream. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 7 minutes and 10 seconds, breaking it all down. We have major gold and silver news to discuss. We're going to be watching the markets react live. I'm going to be reacting live. Maybe one day I'll be yelling again. Ali, she's a Guardian. Thank you so much, Jesse, for those jewels. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. Today's going to be a wild ride. You might as well call me Mr. Toad.
From Tokyo nights,
there's a lot of instability and craziness online, but I'm still stacking. People are telling me it's dumb, I should be in the stock market, but I keep stacking. People are telling me it's foolish to get into real estate, but I'm still stacking. People are telling me to do something else, but I'm still stacking. No matter what people tell me to do, I'm still stacking. Because I know the fundamentals have not changed, ladies and gentlemen. I've got the intestinal fortitude to see the way through, and the question is, do you? Are you unshaken? Are you still stacking? Who's with me?
voices rise like a
Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 5 minutes and 30 seconds, breaking down all the gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves. We're going to watch the day trading session for the COMEX. We're going to watch Shanghai open up. Please smash the like button. Please share the stream. If you're ready, put I'm ready in chat right now. We're just 43 likes away from 100. Thank you. This next track's called Chasing That Mill. M-I-L-L, not milk, not MILF, not Macaulay Culkin. It's Chasing That Mill. M-I-L-L. Let's get it.
Stacks of silver, stacks of gold, digging treasure, riches untold. International stacker, here to say,
Thank you, Amina, for the Sun Hot air balloon. Thank you.
Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International.
Here's the real question. Who in chat is hungry? Who needs soup? Who needs soup? I know Dom needs soup. Who else?
One of a kind.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's explore. Stack
Yes.
and so much more.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 4 minutes and 10 seconds breaking down all the gold and silver news, hoping you read the tea leaves. We're going to watch Shanghai open up. We're going to watch the day trading session for the COMEX. Smash the like button if you're ready and share the stream.
Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright.
Whoa, Osadot wants pizza. Whoa.
Dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance.
Let's go.
Silver shines, gold's the glow.
Okay, here's the question. What price does silver need to go to for you to be a millionaire in silver?
Feel the thrill.
How much does the price for, so look at the total amount of ounces you have. What price does silver have to be for you to be a millionaire? Put that in chat right now. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Who's ready? 30 likes from 100. Let's pump it up, ladies and gentlemen.
Silver, gold, where you belong.
And look at that. Variable Trumper wants to win the bounty to get Dom soup. It's growing. And thank you, Jesse, for the super chat saying chasing that milk. Ah! I'm telling you, it's milk. Ah!
Hit that sub.
Let's go.
Quest, riches
Yes.
laid. You're the best. International stacker, stacking strong.
Nice tidal wave. I love it. $3,000 silver. Let's go. Let's get it. Guys, if you like this music, you can listen to it anytime, day or night. Apple Music, Spotify, iTunes, Amazon Music, Pandora. Just search International Stacker as the artist and rock the day away. We're going to be live here in just 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Who's ready?
Crabs are
All right, we're only 23 likes from 100. I know we could do that before we're live. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get it popping here. If you're ready, drop a crab in chat right now. C-R-A-B, not a C-R-A-P, and certainly not a golden one. Let's get a crab dance going. We're going to be live here in 2 minutes and 5 seconds breaking down the gold and silver news. Who's ready? 2 minute warning. Get your claws up. Now SGT hit me with the golden boom. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live, breaking it all down. What happened overnight? What's going to happen today? We're a minute and 45 seconds away. No, Jesse hit me with the golden boom. Are you guys ready for the Mega Ga? If you like free silver, gold, and you want a baby Mega, put free in chat right now. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And William hit me with the golden boom. No! Let's get it. Okay. Do you guys want the crab migration, the old school, or the little kid intro? Let me know right now. This is your 1 minute warning. Your 1 minute warning here.
Tidal rhythms in the sand. Shiny spoils laid by hand. We're the crew, the shell brigade. Treasures found, the music's played.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. And Cesc Gonzalez hit me with the golden boom. Okay, I think we're going to migrate today. We're 5 likes from 100. Let's smash it up. Who wants to migrate? If you want to migrate this morning, put migrate in chat right now. Let's get it. I think we're going to migrate, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. Crystal hit me with the golden poop. Thank you, William, for the jewels. Here we go.
Dance with me.
Each year, the Stacker Crab makes a pilgrimage to the International Stacker YouTube channel. Here we have a typical Stacker Crab. While typical crabs will eat shells and food of such, these crabs only feast on silver.
One stacker on a journey to find silver. International Stacker. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker. Coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. We are only 8 subscribers away from 69,300, triggering the next big show, and we are just riding this line. We're riding 69.3, just like Silver's riding 60, and we keep having big show after big show, and I hope to hit another one this morning. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe, and why should you? Because in the not-too-distant future, I'm giving away over 100 ounces of silver, over 100 ounces of copper. We've got gold in there. I'm giving it away to y'all in the mega, and maybe even a baby mega coming up. So smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. And ladies and gentlemen, boy, oh boy, was it a crazy night. So I'm going to break down what happened with silver and gold overnight. I'm going to break down the breaking news, and then we will be coming back to the chart here at 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the Danger Zone. That's traditionally when the big bankers attack us. We'll be doing that. Then we'll be watching the Shanghai Futures Exchange market open up. And if you guys are lucky, we'll be watching the stock market open up. I don't know if I'll have time. We'll try. Okay. So silver overnight, ladies and gentlemen, remember it opens every night at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that is the next day's trading session. So as of 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we got smacked down to 57.59. I'm going to break down why that happened. But we went to a high of 59.48. We're currently on a little trend upwards on green candles back to back. Some would call that the stairway to heaven. Currently sitting at $59.05, only 95 cents under that 60 mark. And ladies and gentlemen, it appears we're going to have the battle for $60 silver again picking up here soon. We are up 1.27% on the trading session, and I am happy to announce, ladies and gentlemen, we filled that gap.
We filled that gap, turn the candle green, close that gap, stack silver with me. We filled that gap, turn the candle green, close that gap, stack silver with me.
So here we are here trending up. We're stair-stepping into the danger zone. So we will be coming back to this chart here to see that. The key factor here that you need to know is we did get over the 200 simple moving average, and it looks like we will soon be over the 50 simple moving average. Let's go to gold here. So since 6 p.m., there we go, Eastern Standard Time last night, we hit a low of $4,054.27. We hit a high of 41.18.16, and we are on green candles marching up as well for the opening here into the danger zone. Now remember, this market trades 23 hours a day. It only closes from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time daily. And obviously it's closed Saturday, and it opens Sunday night. But it takes the 1 hour break from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So even though it's not trading out of New York right now, that happens in 30 seconds, it's trading on the Globex. Now in 30 seconds, trading will take over for gold and silver on the COMEX in New York, and we will start to see a lot of volume pick up. We'll see volume pick up again when the Shanghai Futures Exchange opens up at 9 a.m., and then we'll see volume pick up again when the stock markets opens at 9:30. Sorry, guys, my allergies are acting up this morning. Now, the Shanghai Futures Exchange, some call this the Big La Bamba, hit a high of 66.47, hit a low of 64.36, and it stopped at 66.06, the mark of the beast! So we'll be watching this market open back up, and at that time, I'll be asking you guys if you're team green or if you're team red. And look, it's already starting to crack here, getting closer to the danger zone. Now, there's one more thing I wanted to show you here. After we crashed on all the Iran conflict, this was the low we hit, about 57.23. And look, now we are making higher lows and higher highs. So that is a bullish trend, higher lows and higher highs. Thank you so much, Jesse, for those jewels. So we're going to keep watching that. We're going to keep watching that. Hold up. Okay, yeah. Okay. So now let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Check the gold to silver ratio real quick. 69.61 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. And now we're going to jump into the breaking gold and silver news. Now, If you got a question for me, don't put it in chat right now because I won't see it. I'm focused on the news. But after the news, when I go back to the charts, I will be taking your guys' questions live. If you're ready to party this morning, drop a crab in chat, not a CRAP, and let's jump into the breaking gold and silver news here. Now, please make sure to follow me on X, previously known as Twitter, at INTL Stacker, International When It Fit. Thank you for everybody who put out the show this morning. Here we go. Here's the big one. Major escalation, ladies and gentlemen. U.S. and Iran trade as strikes for a second straight day. Overnight for us, U.S. forces launched another major strike wave against Iran, reportedly hitting 90-plus military targets after an earlier wave of 80-plus. And guys, in this 80-plus, they hit over 60 fast attack boats that Iran was using to keep the Strait of Hormuz on lock. Targets reportedly included air defense, missile and drone sites, naval assets, coastal logistics infrastructure, including bridges for trains. Multiple bridges for trains were taken out. Iran retaliated with missile and drone strikes attacking targets, which were U.S. military infrastructure reportedly in the Gulf, with confirmed reports involving, thank you for those jewels again, thank you, Jesse. Reports, the targets involved Bahrain, was struck, reportedly targeted the U.S. Navy's 5th Fleet headquarters, which has been already smashed to smithereens, so I don't know if that got them much. Kuwait reportedly intercepted multiple projectiles with minor damage and at least one injury reported. Qatar reportedly targeted Al Udeid Air Base. It's the largest U.S. military installation in the Middle East. That's in Qatar. Jordan also reportedly activated air defense systems, with some reports claiming U.S.-linked sites were targeted there in that country as well. President Trump declared the Iranian ceasefire over and warned more strikes could follow, also reporting that Iran was trying to call him on the phone to make a deal, which Iran rejects and says that's ridiculous. Reports now are circulating on X of fresh U.S. attacks happening right now in southern Iran. I was looking at that right before we went live, but I'm waiting for official confirmation. So I saw it from places that I trust, but I did not see like any official news. So stay tuned. Confirmation on additional strikes happening this morning is most likely forthcoming. Oil has reacted violently. Silver and gold have been on a roller coaster. And let's look real quick. So oil, here's oil. So that's interesting. Oil went down and it just went up again this morning. Look at that. So we're seeing interesting. Now Brent was as high as 80 yesterday. It's back down to 78. So is this all priced in? Is gold and silver about to run now? Is the instability from these attacks priced in? I don't know. We'll find out together. Let's go to the next piece of breaking news here. What happened in Hong Kong could change gold forever. Andrew McGuire breaks down the HKEX's new gold clearing settlement platform and what it means. Remember, the key highlights here is built to support physical gold settlement and delivery in China, designed to strengthen price discovery and market efficiency, expands Hong Kong's role as a global precious metals trading hub, includes blockchain-based infrastructure for settlement. Beginning July 24th, ladies and gentlemen, mark that on your calendars. Major Chinese banks are suspending retail, leverage, only paper, gold and silver trading on the Shanghai Gold Exchange in an effort to curb speculation. Many analysts, ladies and gentlemen, see these developments as part of a broader shift toward greater emphasis on physical precious metals markets in Asia. Precious metals analyst Andrew McGuire commented, "This is going to be a massive game changer for the spot price for both gold and silver." Ladies and gentlemen, he believes these changes could become a major turning point for the gold and silver price discovery. Now remember, a lot of 2025, Shanghai was leading the way, driving the run up. And then what happened, and I think it was November 16th, was it? Those slippery little salamanders at JP Morgan Chase moved a gold and silver desk over to Singapore. A bunch of the big banks put their tendrils into Asia to try to stop it. And this is how China is answering back, ladies and gentlemen. What's going to happen on and after July 24th? I don't know, but we're going to find out together. So buckle up. Next piece of breaking news here, and thank you so much, Barbara, for that super chat. I do I do appreciate it, saying organic Organic Crab asks, can organic coffee choice be had? Whoa, I can ask. I can ask about the organicness of the coffee. Barbara, thank you for that super chat. What do central banks, ladies and gentlemen, know that we don't? That is the question. If you have that same question, smash a like button. The next 6 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 6 years.
It's science.
What do they know that we don't know? While many investors were selling the dip, ladies and gentlemen, but not me. Were you in chat? Do you have diamond claws in chat? Were you selling?
Diamond claws.
Well, many retail investors were, but central banks kept stacking physical gold. Here are the latest confirmed numbers for May. Poland, 18 tons. China, 10 tons. Don't you guys wish you could stack by the ton instead of the ounce? Kazakhstan, 7. Singapore, 4. Czech, 2. Jordan, 1. That's 42 total tons. Now, look at this. So far, the June numbers are coming out. They're trickling out. All I could confirm was China, 15 tons, and the Czech Republic, 1.6. But look at this. That's a 5-ton increase in June from China. The Czech Republic is 0.4 tons under. So here's my question to you. Are we going to see these numbers accelerate into June before that July 24th date? We'll find out together. As I get updates, I'll keep putting it out. The full June data is still coming in, but the trend remains clear. Central banks are not dumping gold, ladies and gentlemen. They are accumulating it month after month. Buckle up! Next piece of breaking news here. Trump's Iran warning, ladies and gentlemen, just shook the bond market. According to CNBC, Treasury yields climbed after President Trump declared the Iranian ceasefire is over and warned of additional strikes, which soon followed. Markets are now weighing higher geopolitical risk, potential oil supply disruptions, renewed inflation concerns. Guys, remember, the Strait of Hormuz, this is what actually gives Iran teeth. This is what gives Iran teeth. Remember, what used to happen, it hasn't been this way for months now, is 20 to 25%. Thank you, Drone, for that flying eagle. Thank you. 20 to 25% of the world's oil used to pass through here daily. 25 to 30% of the world's liquid natural gas. A big percentage, like 30% of the world's helium would pass through here. A lot of the key components for sulfuric acid, fertilizers for farmers, aluminum, or as our friends across the pond would say, aluminium, used to pass through here daily. With this being shut for so long, it is a major risk, both geopolitically and for markets around the world and economies around the world. Okay, so what does this mean? What does higher treasury yields mean? It means the U.S. government pays more interest on its massive debt, putting even more pressure on federal finances. It also on the macro could mean that investors are wanting to be paid more to hold that debt. Raising yields, ladies and gentlemen, push borrowing costs higher across the economy, making mortgages, business loans, and credit cards even more expensive. This type of uncertainty often pushes investors towards traditional safe haven assets like gold and physical silver. Crustacean Nation, with treasury yields climbing and Middle East tensions heating up, does this make you even more bullish on gold and silver? If it does, put bullish in a chat right now. Okay, this is a favorite of the channel. If you're on X, please like and retweet it and do whatever you got to do. These get very little traction on X, which is a shame because I think it's a great series, but you guys love it here, so I'm going to keep doing it. But just know, this one post, this takes me the most. It takes so much research to get this right. Okay. This day in Sound Money history, July 9th, 1985, President Reagan signed Public Law 9961, the Liberty Coin Act, authorizing the American Silver Eagle, America's official 1-ounce 999 fine silver bullion coin. The first Silver Eagle would be struck on October 29th, 1986. So hopefully when I do this day in Sound Money history on October 29th, hopefully I remember the Silver Eagle. Kick me in the sides if I don't. 1896, William Jennings Bryan delivered his iconic Cross of Gold speech at the Democratic National Convention, passionately advocating for free and unlimited coinage of silver while attacking the gold standard. So guys, here's the funny thing. Back in 1896, there was 2 camps, and they were slippery little salamanders, and they would fight each other. So the gold standard supporters said only gold should back the dollar. They argued this would keep money stable and limit inflation. Free silver supporters said that gold and silver should be coined freely, They believe this would expand the money supply, create some inflation, and make it easier for farmers and debtors to repay loans. More than 90 years apart, ladies and gentlemen, the same date is still alive today, the same debate. Should money be backed by gold and silver or by faith and fiat? Now, the funny thing is, today everyone says it should be paper that's worth nothing. Back then, they were fighting against each other, saying it should only be gold or it should be gold and silver. Boy, ladies and gentlemen, how times have changed. And Silver Crone in chat says, love the history. Thanks for the effort and work, Silver Crone. Thank you. And guys, I do want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Every time you super chat, every time you become a member, every time you gift a membership and give Hungry Crustacean soup and do the jewels, it helps me so much. This is my full-time job. Every day, all day, I spend in the catacombs of the history of the world and on the internet and in the news agencies trying to get the information for you to help you read the tea leaves. So thank you so much. And guess what? You can support the channel without even spending a dime. Simply smash the like button. Only 31 more likes gets us to 200. I know we could do it. The next 31 people to do it are going to get good luck for 7 years.
It's science.
And I did want to thank all the channel members right now. Especially I want to shout out all the Diamond Claw level channel members. All the channel members, it's viewers like you that help me do what I do. And I've got a question for everyone in chat right now, ladies and gentlemen. Who has Diamond Claws?
Diamond Claws.
And Jeff Lodge just gifted 5 memberships. Thank you so much. That went to Lance. It went to Soul. It went to Lost. It went to Keith, and it went to Silver King. Congratulations. Say thank you to Jeff Lodge for those memberships. Check out your new custom channel member emojis, and y'all will be invited to the next War Room, which will probably be Friday in a theme park, I think. I might sneak to Star Wars Land in a theme park and do a War Room from there. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Clothing is not optional. Now, I did want to mention, we do have a bounty for whoever gets Dom Soup. Getting Dom Soup is a gifted membership. This is not a giveaway. This is a special side quest. This is a bounty. So it's not physically in here. Oh, that is. It's not physically in here, but there's 2 things in here that are in the mill. So even if you hit it today, you'll get them. A 1/10-ounce gold eagle, that's like $500-600. Canadian silver maple leaf, that's like $60-70. This Ferdinand 2 silver coin, I got at a coin show in Prague, is in there from 1624. This homage to an American silver eagle, very apropos for today. $9.99 silver. I think that's like a quarter ounce or something. We've got an American flag copper bar. Bada bing, bada boom. We've got this silver coin from Hungary. And I dropped this yesterday. One of my special Japanese silver bars from the 1800s. Samurai used to keep these in the hilts of their swords. And then a silver-plated soup ladle, ladies and gentlemen. So that is the bounty. As we are getting ready for the danger zone, and look at this, we had a BGC form getting closer to the danger zone. We are just about a minute away, so I'm going to go ahead and issue a danger zone alert. Imagine in chat says the back end of the dollar of gold and silver is the basis of the Wizard of Oz and ruby slippers. Yes, you reminded me. I wanted to do an article on that. Let me write that down. Hold up. I keep forgetting. Guys, I get all these good ideas while we stream, and then I forget. Wizard of Oz. Okay, I wrote that down. Hopefully I don't forget that. Now, guys, I need your help. When I leave today, I'm going straight to the airport on an airplane to go to the Fun Coin Show. I am doing a meet and greet there. So check out my website, internationalstacker.com. Click on Hidden Hoard, sponsored by Hero Bullion. Bang. So this Saturday, July 11th, inside the Fun Coin Show, I'm doing a meet and greet. Everybody who meets me in person is going to get an I Caught the King Crab Challenge coin numbered. They are limited. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm also going to be giving away swag and silver. But after the meet and greet on July 11th, Saturday, the Hidden Hoard is going to happen. It's 5 ounces of silver. It's going to be inside the show for you to find and win. So if you want to go and you haven't told me yet, email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com, and I will give you all the information on that. Big shout out to Barbara with the super chat. Says good luck for 90 years if it gets organic coffee added. Okay, I will ask Barbara. I will ask about the organic coffee. Thank you so much for the super chat. Let me see here. Hold up, I missed a few things. Hold up. Okay, got that. Master Blaster, thank you, gifted a membership. That went to Savvy Stacker. That is very savvy. Say thank you to Master Blaster. Check out your emojis. I got that. Okay, Chris Simic says, tell them that no one should win the bounty until Springfield, so I don't have to. Oh! Guys, Chris Simic says he's going to win the bounty. Don't even try. Christian here says the pen is mightier than the sword. There you go. There you go. And Dominator Vaughn, actually No Soup Dom, as she's known, says sneaks outside IS's house, waits for him to leave the airport, sneaks in and steals the silver and runs. Oh! So you think the silver's inside my house? Actually, I keep it in a swamp inside 15 different alligators. So have fun, Dom. It's magic. Thank you so much for the jewels. As ladies and gentlemen, we are in the danger zone now here on the chart. We'll cover a little bit more news here in a little bit. But remember, this is from 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 8:13 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Traditionally, when the big bankers attack us, and it looks like the bankers, ladies and gentlemen, are already on the prowl. But I'm going in.
Dudley! Smith! A falling hard with one arm on the top! Oh my goodness! Oh no, he's not! Major choke slam!
Now, Victor said Harry from Harry's Coin Shop will be at the show. Do you plan on meeting, collaborating with him? Oh, yeah. I'll make a video with Harry. Many people don't know this, but if you go to my channel and maybe type in Harry, the very first time Silver Dragons went into Harry's Coin Shop and shot a video was with me. It was when I went and met up with Silver Dragons there. This is the video here. That's Silver Dragon's hand right there. So his very first video there was with me. So many people don't know that. So yeah, I know Harry. I will do a video. Now, guys, I have a very important video to show you here. Recently, some of our kind came under attack. Let me know if you can hear this okay. Recently, some of our kind came under attack, and this is an example of what to do. Here we go.
If you pour vinegar over your hands or over your arms on any kind of component of your skin, because of the smell and the vapor of the vinegar that it gives off, it is actually a deterrent to the crabs and they won't bite. Watch. If you pour...
So that is exactly what you do if the enemy tries to use vinegar to keep you away. Did you take notes? That was a funny one. Who sent me that? I think Dave sent me that. That was a funny one. That was a funny one. Oh, it was loud. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I do fear that we're seeing a shark fin attack here. And ladies and gentlemen, Craig from the 42nd Battle Crab Brigade is here, and he says that was a 42nd Battle Crab. Wow. Ralph Ramsey says, what is a gift command? What do you mean gift command, Ralph? If you mean giving people claws, I disabled that. You gotta earn them fair and square. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna gamble all mine. Gamble all. Variable, I did not have time to watch that yet. I will watch it. I put it in my bookmark. I'm going to watch it. Oh, that's Coils Homers. By the way, guys, fantastic time to buy the Dip at Hero Bullion, $296.11. Shipped directly to you. It's their starter pack. You can only do it one time, but if you haven't done it yet, you can. But they also have great deals, silver at and under spot. Check them out. And I think they do still have a handful of those 1776 celebration bars for America's birthday. There's only 1,776 of them. They were, I think they're still 99 cents over spot in celebration of July 4th. Let's see. Yeah. For a limited time, they're still 99 cents over spot. Do not sleep on it. Only 1,776, and then they're gone forever. And a big shout out to Hero Bullion for sponsoring the video. If you like Hero Bullion, put Hero or the emoji in chat. And early Matt called me a slippery salamander. Ah! Okay. SGT says, I hate you, Streamlabs. Okay, did I win? Hold up. I gambled all. Where's that? Hold up. Okay. Did I win? I don't know if I won or not. I don't know. Okay, guys, something very important. If you're writing to me, do not use punctuation. Because I scroll quick, and when I see orange, I answer that question. Look at right here. I almost missed this. Do not put a punctuation right after that, because then it will not glow orange. But Stilly the Stacker, good to see you. Stilly the Stacker, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't know, he refines silver. Look at the sweet silver crystal. He sells the crystal if you want your own crystal, so check him out. You can ping him. But he says, International Stacker, what kind of car did you rent in the video with dragons? Should be a lore trivia question. Yeah, it should be. So guys, in that video with silver dragons, I rented a crazy car. So what happened is I got a discount. I got a discount from Toro. So Toro was running something where I got like a significant amount of money off. So I went crazy for a little bit more than a normal rented car. Here's what I got. Hold up. It is a BMW. Oh wait, it's at the end, I think. It's like a BMW, a special BMW. Watch, hold up.
Get in the car, dragons.
Oh my god.
Show the viewers.
Look at this thing.
What is this? What is this?
So yeah, that was crazy. That was really cool. That was like a BMW like 8i or something. But yeah, I got a really good deal on that. It was crazy. Wait, you guys couldn't see it? Oh, it's on camera! Gah! I'm sorry. Okay, hold up. Hold up.
All right. Catch you on the next one.
Silver Dragons out.
All right, deleted scene. Get in the. Show the viewers. Get in the car, dragons.
Deleted scene.
Show the viewers. What is this? What is this?
So there you go. You guys saw it that time. Sorry, I left it on camera. Yeah. And guys, keep smashing that like. We are only 24 likes away from 300, and that would help the stream so much. And we're only 4 gifted memberships away from triggering the No Soup for Dom video if you want to see that. Yeah. Yeah, so it was a promotion with my American Express card. And it was like use Toro and you get like $100 off or something. So the amount for like a rental car that for that trip was going to cost me was like $250, and I think with the discount I paid like $330. I was like, worth it for the content. Echoes on videos you play through your browser. Okay, thank you for that, Universal. Thank you for that. I'll try to fix that. Interesting. It's always fun with the streaming, guys. The streaming is the back end of this is super crazy. It's so much going on the back end. Do you guys want to see what my streaming setup looks like? Do you guys want to see it? Hold up. All right, okay, before I show you guys, shout out to Barbara. Barbara just gifted 5 memberships. It went to Teresa, it went to Zhao, it went to Husai, it went to the 11, and it went to Red. Congratulations. Say thank you to Barbara. Check out your new custom channel member emojis, and thank you so much, William, for the jewels, and I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
Taste the soup.
Good soup.
No soup for you.
Poor Dom, no soup. Master Blaster says the Fed is split 9-8. Gold and silver paying the price until July 14th. Could be. And Chris Simic says, so I'm turning 55 in 3 weeks, and I'm constantly being harassed about by a certain company. AARP is after me. Help. Tell them to put you on Do Not Call. Bam the Trader says, we are crab walking to 55. Then to 48. Trust and believe, says Bam the Trader. Okay, I'm going to show you guys this stream setup. Hold up. Let's see if I can do this. Hold on. Hold up. Here's the mic setup. Were you guys able to see it? That was difficult because the camera was on like a floating system. It was trying to like self-right itself. Isn't that a crazy setup? Is he having a stroke? I'm not. Blink 3 times if I'm having a stroke. Guys, Barcoded Droid gifted 5 memberships. Thank you so much. That went to Joe. That went to BHO. That went to Maple. Simon, and it went to Ash. Congratulations. I'm sorry, Dom. How could Dom get no soup?
What the hell?
Wow. Thank you so much, Barcoded Droid. Make sure you say thank you to Barcoded Droid. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And I'll see you all in the next War Room. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Clothing is not optional. You must be fully clothed. As ladies and gentlemen, we have just 4 more minutes here in the Danger Zone. That is mega, says Mike D. Yeah, guys, it's crazy. I've constantly upgraded it, trying to bring you guys an even better production, a better show. It's super complicated, especially on the software side. I change one thing and it has like ripple effect. It's crazy. It is absolutely insane. 603 says clothing is absolutely optional.
How dare you?
Okay, guys, we're having a nice little bounce back here in the Danger Zone. Now, let's see what you guys are saying on X, formerly known as Twitter. As for me, the war is over, says Michael. Thank you. I will watch that later. Looking from Art. Reject pants. Embrace whimsy. Reject pants, embrace. No! Look at these toads. Interesting to see the accumulation continue despite the market noise. Yes, it is, RBC. Brian, thank you for putting out the history post. Thank you, Sicilian, for putting out the stream. Variable, thank you. Thank you to Lewis. Thank you. Feature Motive says, I think it's coming. Stack it high like it's 1985. Stack it up. Watch it grow. Strengthen diamond claws. Lewis saying, know your history. Thank you. Thank you, Future Motive. Thank you again, Future Motive. William Posey, thank you. Look at this from Gary. The price keeps rising and with every new one listed. Oh my goodness. Oh my. So let's see. GBP to USD. Oh, before we do that, thank you, Chris Simic, just gifted 5 memberships. It went to D3, it went to Indy, it went to Da, it went to Doctor, it went to Tolga. Congratulations. Say thank you to Chris Simic. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. I hate to say it.
Sir, I want some more.
Here's the soup. Good soup.
No soup for you.
And guys, this one from Backyard Bullying, that's for sale. This is that mint error coin we've been watching, the Britannia. 2 days left. Look, it's already at 5,600 US dollars equivalent. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Gary, for keeping me up on that. Easy silver bar, says William Posey. The US Mint today at noon will drop its first Morgan silver dollar with a P mark. Really? Combining this historic first with the fact that this is probably the last year of the Morgan and silver dollar P sets, numismatics need to jump on this. Wow, guys, did you guys know that? Thank you, Mitch. Okay, we're caught up there. Let's go back to the chart in the Danger Zone. Ladies and gentlemen, 30 seconds left in the Danger Zone. Let me look in chat here. Okay, we got Danny in chat saying, excited to meet and greet in Pittsburgh next month. Hopefully you can find the hidden horde. Danny, you signed up for the meet and greet, correct? I want to make sure you're on the list. If you didn't sign up for it, guys, if you want to sign up for any of the meet and greets, go to my website, internationalstacker.com. Click on hidden horde here and click on the Google form here, and it'll let you select which one. That puts you on an email list, and I'll send you all the updates for it. Now, on my website, on my shop, I have special Hidden Horde gear. HHRTF, the Hidden Horde Recovery Task Force. If you're wearing any of this and you find the Hidden Horde, you're going to get rewarded with something that's worth far more than $29.99. More than double. So go check that out. Okay. Ah! The next thing here, just received my 5-kilogram Geiger bar of copper. Nice, I poop 7 colors. Okay, we got that. Bam the Trader says the price action at 56,5798 is scary. It looks like, drop, but look, your 4-hour time frame, says Bam. We'll check out in a second. Owen in chat says, with the unusual, ungodly heat here in Ireland, clothing is definitely optional. Well, yeah. Guys, if you want to walk around butt naked in your town, you're free to. Just don't call me to bail you out of jail. I'm just talking about the war room. And ladies and gentlemen, we are out of the danger zone. Out of the danger zone. Okay, so check this out. I need you guys to remind me. When I end the stream, I'm going straight to the airport and getting on a plane. Please remind me to bring my wireless mouse. If I do not bring my wireless mouse, it will be devastating when I'm trying to do stuff for you guys in Orlando for the next couple days. So I need all of you. When I'm like, hey guys, the stream's over, you need to be like, take the damn mouse I asked. So please remind me. Okay. We got Early Maya in chat saying, should I sign up even though I'm not 100? Yeah. Sign up even though you're not sure. That way you can get the information. And then if you can't go, you can't go. Danny has signed up. Good. Signing up just gets you the information. It doesn't mean I'm going to come track you down if you don't show up. So you're good. Buy the dips. It's like a roller coaster, says O House. It's certainly like a roller coaster. Who's buying the dips? Now, guys, I scraped together what money I could find. I checked the couch, the cushions. I searched every account I've ever had. I searched old crypto wallets. I scraped together a little bit of cash to spend at the Fun Coin Show. I'm definitely going to buy the dip. Who is planning to buy the dip? Who already bought it? Let me know. Silver Crone says, please tell the story. Someone must have tried to show up naked in the war room. In the war room. That's just a war room rule. Public, I mean, it's up to you if you want to go to jail. Owen says, is the special prize a set of crustacean chaps? No, but that would be cool. Chris here says, does the pocket pinger ping 40%? Yes, it pings 40%. No mouse for you, says O House. What?
How dare you?
Okay. Okay. Do you guys want to play a little game? So we're out of the danger zone. I'm going to delete those. Let's play a little game here. The little game is called Drop It. Do you want me to drop this into the Mega God? If you want me to drop it to the giveaway, put drop it. Now, if you said drop it, you would have been scammed because this is a fake American Silver Eagle sent in to me by one of you. Guys, people get scammed all the time. Now, you would not be able to ping this with a pocket pinger. You would have to check this with a Sigma. Or if you were suspicious, you could break it out of the capsule and you certainly could pocket ping it. But guys, you got to protect yourself from fakes. You got to do it now.
They're getting so bad. Can you tell me which one of these Morgan Silver dollars is fake? Which of these Mercury dimes is real and fake? Is this slabbed American Silver Eagle real? Look at this 90% Milwaukee Liberty. Ladies and gentlemen, all of those coins except this one, plated in gold, were fake. Either you can spend $3,500 plus on a Sigma Metalytics Verifier Pro, or you can invest in something that one of the Crustacean Nation created. It is the Pocket Pinger by Sound Money. Passed. That was the real one. Failed. That Walking Liberty. Failed. Ladies and gentlemen, it's only $38. Link is in the description below. You get the pocket pinger. You get the stick. You get access to the free phone application. It's literal science. $38 can protect you from a fake silver coin, a fake gold coin, even fake silver bars, and 90%. And it helps support the channel too, so thank you so much. Click the link below. I believe it's mandatory for all stackers, and it's only $38. Protect your stack now. And ladies and gentlemen, is the pocket pinger the new baby gator? Because as soon as I played that, this green candle turned into a BGC, a big green candle, pushed up to $59.35. Wow. Look at this, guys. It's pushing. Our next target is $59.48. We'll see if we can hit that. Wow. The pocket pinger. You got to get it. It helps support the channel a little bit, but most importantly, it helps you not get scammed. You got to check everything. So for the love of God, get the pocket pinger. Link is in the description below. It's $38. Wow, look at this. We're pushing towards our target of $59.48. Why is that our first target? That's been the trading session high so far. Okay, I'm going to set another target here. Hold up. We're getting some strength. And guys, this is pretty goalish. This is pretty bullish that silver and gold are making this kind of little comeback here, even with all this instability.
with Iran. Are things finally changing for silver? Are things finally changing for silver? Silver and gold used to do well during instability. Sometimes it would take time, like the Iranian crisis in the 70s. It took 45 days for silver and gold to pop. But are they finally taking their place as safe haven assets? Because we've been living in like upside down world. Okay. Okay, we did just take out our next target. So now 59.72 is going to be our next target here. We have a new trading session high of $59.53. Wow. And look at the volume picking up here. The next big shoe to, and guys, look at gold. Gold did it as well. The next big shoe to drop here is going to be Shanghai Futures Exchange opening, and that's going to be in just 23-ish minutes. Let me set a new few targets here. I'll usually do this way, like more legitimately, but when I'm live, I just do this quick. I just set our next targets for previous resistance. Sometimes I set it for previous support. Let's pop that one up there. So that way we just have stuff to watch through for while we're live. Now, guys, I'm not sure if I'm going to stay to the stock market open at 9:30 a.m. or not. I'm not sure. At about 9, I'm going to look on Uber and see if there's a lot of Ubers available, because I've got an Uber to the airport this morning. So at that time, if I check and there's tons of Ubers, I will stay to the market open. But if it's questionable, I won't. So we'll see at that time. Okay, cool. And look at this, guys. Gold is above the 50 and 200-day moving average. That's nice. Silver as well is above the 50 and 200, not day, sorry, 250 simple moving average of the 5-minute chart. All right, now Bam wanted me to look at the 4-hour chart here, so let's look at that. Let's get rid of this arrow. We don't need him anymore. Oh, wow, look at, we got some gaps in the 4-hour, but those are gaps on the way up. So those should be easy to fill. We're about to get over the 50 simple moving average here on the 4-hour chart. Let's zoom out, guys. When in doubt, zoom out. Let's go to the 1-monther. Okay, we are green on the 1-month chart. Beautiful. Let's see if we could hold that and gain some ground. Let's check the weeker. 1 week we are red, but this could be flipped if we could have a rally here. Let's go back to the 5-minute chart. Okay, we're pushing higher here. Okay, somebody's asking who makes the pocket pinger. It's actually a crustacean. Sound Money Metals. If you go check out the link, you can see all the information on his company. But he's a crustacean. He first featured the device with me on my YouTube. Now he's got a new pocket pinging device coming out. Now, it's not replacing the pocket pinger. The pocket pinger is a small device meant for your pocket on-the-go coin shows. He's got a new device coming out that sits on your desktop, so it's bigger, and that's meant for more numismatic coins, so you don't want to worry about like pinging too hard. And it's also for like 10-ounce bars and bigger things. You can do anything on it, but that's what it's meant for. So there's a new desktop device coming out for those numisticists and people that got bigger stuff they want to ping. So that is coming as well. And it comes with the free phone application. When you get the package in the mail, don't throw it away, because it's got a password in there to put into the app, to access the app. And that app was made with like experts. It's engineers from MIT, like crazy stuff. Okay, guys, we are pushing here on silver towards our next target of 59.72. It looks like we are imminently going to take out 59.72. What happened? Is there a P still? Hold up. Is there a P still? Is there a P still? Hold up. No? Okay, his last post was 11 hours ago. Hold up, something's happening. Let's see here. Let's go here. I'm trying to see. I'm not seeing any breaking news. Does anyone see any breaking news that's causing this? Let's check out real quick. The DXY. DXY is not really doing anything crazy. Oil's still going up. Huh. Something's happening. That I can tell you. Let's go to Dow futures. The Dow's up 25 points. I don't know, but I'll take it. Yeah, I just checked it. I don't know. It's weird. It's strange. Some would say
It's science.
pre-market U.S. trading looks good for rares, miners, and such, says Hermit Camper. Thank you, Hermit. Stacker friends, don't let stacker friends buy Eagles or Morgans. They make up at least 40% of all fakes. That Shopsy. Some with bullion bars and assay plastic. Crack them. Yeah, you got to crack them open for sure. And I love Eagles and Morgans, but I just test them, and you can too. Get a pocket pinger. Still had my eye on 66, but I wasn't sure about it. Still not gonna buy. Waiting for the retest, says Bam the Trader. Let's see, where are we at? Okay, U.S. initial jobless came. Okay. Thank you, RCG. U.S. initial jobless claims, 215,000. Forecast 217, previous 215. So we came in about 3,000 under jobless claims. So maybe that's something to do with it. Step on down, says SGT. You are the next contestant on The Price is Right. What does that mean? Silverpug says, check on X. President Trump may have moved the market. I did. I didn't see anything. SGT just gifted 5 memberships. Those went to Matt. It went to Bluetooth. It went to Seed Squatch. It went to Christian and Chrome. Congratulations. Thank you to SGT Stacker. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And guys, if you don't know, you need to know. SGT, he's the one that made the beautiful corks. We still have this error cork commemorating when silver broke 100 the first time. This is an exact copy of the champagne top, but he made this crustacean. Somewhere in here is one of my favorite pieces. He made this. That's SGT, guys. Check him out. Inoki Stacker just gifted a membership, and that went to Fob. Congratulations! And I hate to say it!
Please, sir, I want some more.
Here's the soup. Good soup.
No soup for you.
And Chris Simic has to go to work for the day. Good to see you, Chris Simic. I'll see you in Springfield, Chris Simic. Okay. So TNT is saying Nostra House of Gold. The U.S. has now bombed Bashir nuclear power plant. Last I checked TNT media, it was not the power plant. It was facilities around the power plant. So we got to wait for more clarification on that. But thank you for that. And guys, Amina is making it rain. Amina says that's my bounty. She gets to 10 memberships. It went to Kiki. Kiki, do you love me? You guys remember that? It went to Jordan's World. It went to Delaney. It went to Y2 Pours. It went to Yami. It's him time. It went to Make. It went to Daddy Trill. It went to Ryan. No! Sorry, Dom! Dom, you didn't get any soup!
Please, sir, I want some more.
Here's the soup. Good soup.
No soup for you.
And SGT says, have an amazing day, International Stacker in chat. Enjoy your time. Don't forget the mouse. I won't, SGT. And guys, as soon as SGT stacking is confirmed to be gone, I'm going to share with you the secret of life, but not a minute before. So somebody let me know when he's gone. Okay. Thank you so much, Amina. Wow. Let's go here. Iran sends ballistic missiles to Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, and Jordan after U.S. struck 170 Iranian targets. Eesh, that leaves a mark. Okay, let's see.
We have many ways we can win, but we've already won militarily. They have very little. They have very little left, and they want to make a deal so badly. They called a little while ago. They want to make a deal so badly. I just don't know if they're worthy of making a deal. I don't know that they're going to honor the deal. That's the problem.
Wow. Look at this. Reports by Iranian state media TV. Cruise missile impact on the site of Bashir nuclear power plant in southern Iran. So from my research, it didn't hit the power plant exactly. It hit the air defense systems near it, but I could be wrong. That could be new. We'll see. Whoa! Arsonist cuts off pee, then uses it to start a blaze in neighbor's garage. Oh my goodness. That is a headline. Look at this from the Silverwig. George Washington in a letter to Thomas Jefferson. Paper money has had the effect in your state that it will ever have to ruin commerce, oppress the honest, and open the door to every species of fraud and injustice. Wow. And ladies and gentlemen, don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. We're the Shanghai Futures Exchange Market's going to be opening in 12 minutes and 40 seconds. You don't want to miss that. And Weimar Silver Baron says, silver is a true commodity in money, like nothing else. Most of its supply will be gone in a few years due to industrial use. This makes true commodity money. In a way, nothing else relatively, in a way, nothing else relatively value dense is. Interesting. Let's go back to the charts. Can't make a deal. They are semi-hidden. A civil war in Iran. Yeah, I agree with you. There is definitely factions posturing there. Alan says, did the Fed notes say anything important yesterday? Couldn't find an update. Oh, I did do a post on it. No, not really anything important. The voting, or the everybody, there was 18 people who got polled. It was 9-9 on what they thought we should do. But nothing really. It was a little bit hawkish. Okay, here's the situation. I got to make an emergency bathroom run. I'll be back here in about a minute. I need somebody to time me. I'm literally going to raptor run across the house. I lean forward. I bring my arms up to the center of my core like a T-Rex. I literally get on my balls of my feet and I trot. And that's how I could get it done so fast. So I need somebody to get a timer and time me. I'm going to raptor run real quick. Don't go anywhere. Because when I get back, we're going to watch the Shanghai Futures Exchange Market open. I'm only 2 likes away from 300, so smash that like. And I am raptor running, ladies and gentlemen, in 3, 2, 1. What's my time? What's my time? What's my time? What's my time? I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. What's my time? What was my time? Oh my goodness. That took a little bit longer than expected. I was washing my hands. The steam was coming up on the mirror. And as the steam went across the mirror, it revealed a word. Red rum. I was shocked. Okay. You need a SpongeBob timer on your desktop. 650 Mississippis. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Gah! That took a little bit longer than expected. I'm sorry. Now, we do have some information coming out here. Supposedly, this is unconfirmed, Iran is reportedly massing special forces units on the Iraqi border near Kurdistan. Interesting. Okay. Let's go back here, keep looking. Guys, Shanghai's opening in just 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Guys, this is an AC-130, one of the coolest pieces of fighting equipment out there. Those things are powerful. Oh, if you guys are following the Reckless Ben saga and Bricks and Minifigs allegedly stealing $200,000 Lego collection from an elderly sick man, brick by brick, he released episode 3. It's out on YouTube. So make sure to go watch that. It's about this company, them strong-arming, basically allegedly robbing this guy. And it looks like the police department in Utah is colluding with them. 2 the police departments, actually. One in Provo and the other one in, not Ashfork, something like that. So if you're into that saga, it's a juicy one. The episode 3 is out. Reckless Ben. Check them out. Okay. Silverpug says, as I Raptor runs to the washroom, I noticed a sign in the war room. It was written, never give soup to Dom. Must be from Viola. Is she upset?
How dare you?
Let's check on her.
What's the robot's name?
Viola.
Viola.
Ladies and gentlemen, she's different. Okay. Fastest pooper on YouTube, says the Shogun of Harlem. Thank you. I'm like a goat. It comes out in pellets. No, I'm kidding. I'm joking. 603 AG says, surprise. Same games for a few weeks. Can I run for office? Can I buy stock in Micron? Then tomorrow tweet how amazing Micron is. There you go. Asking for a friend. There you go, 603. Okay. We got Alan here saying Red Rum was a famous racehorse here in the UK that won a Grand National and was stolen, never to be found again. About 40 years ago. Wow. Master Blaster said, if you ping it more than twice, you're just playing with it. Guys, if you ping your coin more than twice, you're just playing with it. Oh, yeah. What are we doing here? 6 minutes. No, 5 minutes and 45 seconds. The silver's looking strong here. Gold, it just made another day trading session high at 4,122. So gold is up 0.85% since last night, 6 p.m. Silver's up 2.1%. This is so bullish with all the instability going on. I'm liking it. Now, I want to check the Hormuz letter. Let's see what they're saying. Okay, their last tweet was 9 hours ago. Let's check out the Iran letter. No? It's the Iranian letter. Two ballistic missiles launched from Urmia, Siren Sound, at Camp Taj, bases in Kurdistan. So that's in Iraq. Okay. Oh, it was S. Herger. Sorry. I was only a wee guy at the time. Sorry. It's okay, Alan. It was still fun. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just 4 minutes and 30 seconds away from Shanghai opening. Do not go anywhere. From Iran, from Zero Hedge, U.S. interference in Hormuz will hinder reopening of the strait. I think Iran, I think that ship has sailed. I think that ship has sailed. I don't think they're going to need your help reopening the strait. We'll see. Here's that post by Nostra House of Gold that a nuclear power plant got bombed. Everything I saw was that it wasn't. It was just it was the air defense near it, but we'll see. He could be right. We'll see. Banks upgrade gold price forecast is late in the bull market, downgrade late in the bear market, says Peter Spina. The U.S. hit Iran's Chabahar port overnight, and this footage shows what's left of their control tower. Yeah, that thing got smashed. Yeah. Okay, nearly half of Americans are skipping summer vacations as higher airfares are driving costs away on travel plans. If that is you, are you skipping your trip because of gas prices? Put skip. Check Uber. Don't forget your mouse. Thank you. Dropping the mic. Yeah, we're close to that. As soon as I do the Shanghai Open, I'll check it. 603 says, bad news. Look closely at the price action for both gold and silver over the last 12 hours. Silver appears entirely automated, pegged to every gold transaction or other way around. Whoa. Wow. The LCS looking in horror as I ping my coin 10 times, says Kyle. That's funny.
How dare you?
That is funny. Guys, keep smashing that like button. We're only 31 likes away from 350. I know we could do that. And we are only 3 gifted memberships away from 40, which would be the next No Soup for Dom song activation. Thank you, Okie Stacker, for gifting that membership. That went to John. Another John gets soup. Wow. Check out your new custom channel member emojis, John, and say thank you to Okie Stacker. Gold to silver ratio is now off the devil's number. It's to 69.12 ounces of silver to every 1 ounce of gold. And here it is right here, ladies and gentlemen. We are under 2 minutes away. I'm going to ask you right now, are you team green? Are we going up? Are you team red? Are we going down? Let's look at it a little bit. Let's read the tea leaves. North Star, thank you to gifting a membership. That went to Bermuda. Bermuda, make sure you say thank you to North Star. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Thank you so much, North Star Stacker. You are mega. Okay, we closed at 66.06. That was the devil's number. And we're currently at 59.49, so that's about $7-ish difference. Are we gapping up? Are we gapping down? Let me know right now in chat. Are you team green? Are you team red? And ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to initiate the danger zone warning. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just 50 seconds away as I'm checking Uber. Checking Uber. Okay, we do have some. I'm going to keep my eye on the cars. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. 30-second warning. Are you team green or team red? Let me know right now. We got BRCs with jets from Berkey. We got BGCs, BRCs. It takes a while to ping 2 rolls of dimes inside the LCS. Not that I would do that and make chit chat. There you go. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shanghai gap up. Team Green won it. Team Green won it. Good job, Team Green. We gapped up, ladies and gentlemen, to $66.47. Wow. See what happens here. Let's see how we are reacting here. We should see volume pick up on silver and gold on the COMEX. Let's watch for a little bit here. Thank you so much to Dan for the flow state, Jules. I appreciate that. You should do a big show for stream likes instead of subscriptions to Zoe House. I don't know. I'll have to think about that. Speaking of likes, though, guys, we are only 16 away from 350. I know we could do that. I know we could do that. Do you guys think we can? I think we can. Call me the little engine that could, because I think we can. There you go. Guys, we are one gifted membership away from the No Soup for John song getting triggered, as silver is shooting up on a BGC in Shanghai, hitting 66.66. Ah! Okay, we're off of that. Good. We're off of the devil's number there. Oh, yeah. Thank you, North Star and Drone, for those jewels. Look at that laughing disco ball. Wow. Okay, we just hit 66.71. Yep, silver's starting to pump again on COMEX and gold. Keep watching here. And Dan Walda gifted 5 memberships. Thank you so much. That goes to Felix. That goes to Farm. That goes to Trippy. That goes to 6. It goes to Aaron. Congratulations. And I hate to say it!
Yes, sir. I want some more.
Extra soup.
Good soup.
No soup for you.
And with that, we're only 16 away from the next one. Thank you so much, Dan Walda. I really appreciate it. Make sure you say thank you to Dan for those memberships. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Dan, you, sir, are mega. Mega! And Silver Pug says, knowing that over time, during the year, airline prices increase on the date you want, need, I purchase my tickets from 7 months to 12 months ahead. Choose refundable. Yeah, I try to do that too, Silver Pug, where I can. I try when possible. Yeah, poor Dom, guys. Can we get an F in the chat for Dom? Is she ever going to get her soup? Thank you, RJ, for those jewels and AC Stacker. Is she ever going to get her jewels? Or her soup? Okay. Look what Correlation Economics is saying. Bad Hormuz news can't even bring down gold anymore. You know what I love, guys? Even with all the attacks we saw, with the crazy price action with Hormuz, it never broke 4,000. That is huge. And silver's like just chilling around 60. That is huge. Thank you, Jolly Lollipop, for that super chat saying, please predict the price of silver and gold on December 31st. The price on a day is difficult. Like, I can give my guess of a high, but saying it will be this price on that day, that's like damn near that's impossible. But I could like say what I think the high will be between now and then. Okay. But thank you for that super chat. Guys, don't get scared about this. China's top solar firm makes switch from silver to copper. There's been talk about this forever. Copper lasts half as long. It's not nearly as efficient. So what a lot of these firms are now doing, they're making high performance. They're calling them high performance. Or another word, I forget what it was, and it's the silver versus copper. The market will dictate. And look at Weimer says, you will be seeing more and more of this, but important to remember, this process is going to take considerable time and entails risk from those installing as reliability is untrusted. There are one or two others similar in China. Yeah, guys, don't let the mainstream media scare you. There's still so much demand and so much more demand emerging every day. What is your year-end price? Okay. Assuming silver takes 100 again, which I do believe it will, not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. My high for silver will be a 152. My high for gold, I think, will be 5K. Maybe even 55, but I'm going to be conservative with gold. I'm going to say 5K. Silver, I'm going to say 152. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. We'll see. I could be wrong. I was more than right in 2025. When I made my prediction at the beginning of 2025, people called me crazy and insane, a pumper. It looks like I was not insane enough because we blew by my prediction in October. Then I said that I thought we would hit, I forget the numbers now, it's so long ago. But then I made another bold prediction for the end of the year and we did it. And then I made a prediction for $100 silver within the first quarter of 2026 and then revised that by the end of January. We did that. So we'll see. We'll see. Okay, guys, it is dangerous for me to wait for the stock market open. So if I could ask you guys for a favor, if I could get, what is that? 30, 60, 70, 39 more likes will get us to 400. And thank you, Crustacean Next Exit, for being a Crustacean commander for 4 months, saying, are you going to be live tomorrow morning? Yes. Even though I'm going to be at the Fun Coin Show tomorrow, I'm going to do a walk and talk in the morning. And then I'll do a market touch base from my hotel room tonight. So I will be live tonight. I just don't know the time. So be on the lookout for that. Turn on the notifications. But I will be live tomorrow morning. In the morning after, I'll be doing my normal walk and talks I do when we're on a trip. Unfortunately, I have my voice this time. My trip to Atlanta was disastrous, guys. I lost my voice for like 10 days. Thank you, Okie Stacker, for gifting a membership. That went to Duke. Duke, say thank you to Okie Stacker. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. I can't believe anyone would ever call you a pumper, says Variable. There you go. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to run to the airport. I'm going to try to update you guys as quickly as possible. I'm meeting 2 crustaceans tonight. I'm going to meet Northampton West, who is flying in from England. He's flying through Orlando. I'm going to meet him at the airport hotel. So I'll film that. I'll get some other stuff coming. So it's going to be great. Do not forget my wireless mouse. Thank you. I will not forget it. Thank you for that super chat, AC Stacker. So I'll see you guys tonight on an update from my hotel. Tomorrow morning, we'll be doing a meet and greet. Let's go crab raid Miss Ida right now. Fill the chat with crabs. Smash the like button. Guys, thank you so much. I'm going to keep you updated on this trip. And I appreciate you all from the bottom of my house. And yes, I'm going to, bottom of my heart. I said house. Bottom of my heart. And yes, I'm going to bring this mouse with me. Thank you guys so much. And I'll say CYO. Tino. Catch you on the next one. We're only 14 likes from 400. Smash it on your way out.
I am never going to financially recover from this.
How dare you?